Hey guys, EJ Lockpicks here. Today I'm going to look at a Master Pro Series 6835. It's one of their safety lockout type locks, aluminum body. Here's a look at the key bitting. Okay, so not that challenging. This is the what's it, 6000B keyway, so it's a little more restrictive. So we're locked up. Let's see how long it takes to get into this thing. Hopefully not too long, because I don't want super long videos. Alright, what did I do with my hook? I'll just grab another one. Oops, sorry. So let's go in there, get the pick in there, all the way to the back, apply a little bit of tension, and start feeling around. Okay, got a false set. Start moving back. See if we can find any feedback. I got feedback on pin 1. Oh, and we got it open already. We must have set a few in there. So there it is, picked. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Let's get a 7/64 Allen wrench. Go in there and take that retaining screw out of there. There it goes. The core out of there. Excellent. Oh, good. So we're looking at a C-clip. That's always good. This is nice and easy. Just pull off of there. Sometimes. There it goes. Okay. Let's see, how do I want to do this? There we go. Alright. So we'll just stick our follower in here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to tilt the camera just a little bit so we can get a view of the pinning tray. There we go. That looks nice. Pin 1's a regular. We got regular. I expect to see all regulars here. And the last one. Yep. Oops. So we got all standard pins on the bottom. Pretty normal for Master Lock. Let's see what we got in the drivers. Pin 1 is a spool. Pin 2 is also a spool. Oops. What is that sucker? The spring came with it. We got another spool. Another spool. And last but not least, another spring. What do we got in there? Come here. I don't know if you can... Oh, see that? It totally sprung around. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna find that anytime soon. But I think it was a standard pin, but it looked like it had two very, very slight serrations on it. So that's that. If I can get you just a little zoom in on those pins. Maybe we can pull this up towards you, because when I zoom in on this camera it doesn't like to zoom very well. So here, actually, let me take that up. Take the zoom out, then pull it up close. So that's what you're looking at. Oh, that last driver, it was probably just a standard. I totally lost it, sprung around somewhere. But that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay legal.